Keep unwanted visitors out of your home or business with monitored security systems from Box Security Ltd. We have over 25 years experience working to the exacting standards set by the SSAIB, UCAS and European and British standards. Our radio safety and security alarm systems can be installed same day with minimal disruption. No unsightly cabling, no holes in the walls and no carpeting or floorboarding to lift. Choose from IP camera systems, flood detectors, gas and carbon monoxide sensors, smoke particle sensors, motion detector or door and window detector systems. Find out more from our website or call us in London at Box Security Ltd.